Hello everyone, I am sharing here the solution of weekly sheet number 1 of NAS. This is just for preparation for NAS test. So see here, one question is the value of 10 power 22 plus 10 power 20 upon 10 power 20. Options are also given A, B, C, D. So let's solve. Here you can see the minimum power of 20 in denominator. The minimum power of 10 in denominator is 20. So in numerator you can take 10 power 20 common. Inside will be 10 power 2 plus 1 because 10 power 20 is common upon 10 power 20. This and this can be cancelled out, but we are left with 10 power 2 plus 1. So 10 power 2 means 100. 10 tens are 100 plus 1. It is 101. So in the worksheet this option is provided D, that is 101. Second question. Second question is which of the following is equal to 1? So options are given here. 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0. It cannot be equal to 1 because 2 power 0 is 1. Here also 1 plus 1 it will be 3. So this option will not be applicable. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 4 power 0. Then C option which is given, that is 3 power 0 minus 2 power 0 bracket close into 4 power 0. And D option 3 power 0 minus 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 plus 2 power 0. So option 1 we have already checked. This is 2 power 0 1, 3 power 0 1, 4 power 0 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So he has asked this question this only, that which of the following is equal to 1. So option B is correct option. You may check the other options also, but this is option 2 which is correct. Which of the following is not equal to 1? Here the options are 2 power 3 plus 3 power 2 upon 4 multiplied by 18. So 2 power 3 is what? 8. And 3 power 2 is 9. And 18 fours are 72. So this is 17 upon 72. So it will not be equal to 1. Option B. In option B, it is square bracket minus 2 power 3 into minus 2 power 4 divided by minus 2 power 7. So see this, minus 2 is the base and powers are added, 3 plus 4 divided by minus 2 power 7. This is minus 2 power 7 divided by minus 2 power 7. So he has asked that which of the following is not equal to 1. So 2 power 7 divided by 2 power 7, that will be equal to 1. C option I am checking. 3 power 0 plus 5 power 3 upon 5 into 25. 3 power 0 is 1. 5 power 3 is 125 upon 125. So it will be 126 upon 125. And D option 2 power 4 upon 7 power 0 plus 3 power 0 and whole power is 3. 2 power 4 is 16 upon 7 power 0 1 plus 1, that is 2 power 3. It is 16 upon 8 and it is 2. So the question was which of the following is not equal to 1. Only B option is equal to 1. And if he is asking which is not equal to 1, then option number A, C and D all are not equal to 1. And if it is asked that which is equal to 1, then option number B will be correct. But as the question is given that which of the following is not equal to 1, then in that case it will be A, C and D. Question number 4, minus 2 upon 3 whole power 4. We have to find its value. So when minus the power is even number, it becomes plus. 2 power 4 means 2 is to be multiplied 4 times. 16 upon 3 is to be multiplied 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So it is 16 over 81, option number A, which is given in the sample. Question number 5. We are to find the value of m if minus 3 power m plus 1 into minus 3 power 5, it is equal to minus 3 power 7. So here you will apply the rules of exponents. Bases are same. Minus 3 powers are added, m plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 power 7. So this is minus 3 m, 1 plus 5 is 6 is equal to minus 3 power 7. So bases are same, powers are equated. M plus 6 is equal to 7. So find m. M is equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. And in the sample paper, this option is option number C. So you will tick mark C. Question number 6 of this sample paper. It is the ratio of 10 km per hour to 30 km per hour. So 10 upon 30 you will do. 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes are 30. It is 1 over 3. And if I have to write in ratio form, it is 1 ratio 3. C option will be there. 7. The ratio 4 ratio 25 converted to percentage. So 4 ratio 25, we can write it 4 over 25. And when we are to convert it into percentage, 4 over 25 will be multiplied by 100. It will be converted into percentage. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. So it is 16%. So in this sample paper, this option is C. 8th number, 5.2 is equal to 5.2 is equal to, so if I write it 52 upon here this 0 and in place of decimal it is 10. So 52 over 10, he has given options. A 52%, B option is given 5.2%, C option is given 520%, and D option is given 0.52%. So let's check which option is correct. 52% means 52 upon 100. So this cannot be correct. If I take this, it is 5.2 upon percentage means 100. It is 52 upon, it will become 52 upon 1000, which will also not be correct. If I check this, it is 520 upon 100. 0 and 0 can be cut. So it is 52 upon 10, which is equal to this. So C option is correct. Now question number 9. This is 225% is equal to. So 225% means 225 divided by 100. Do the cutting. 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 4s are 20, 2 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are. It is 9 over 4 and in the ratio form, it is 9 ratio form. Here option is A. Now question number 10. There are 50 students in a class, so total students are 50. Then boys are 40. Number of boys 40. And the rest are girls. So number of girls will be how many? From the total students you subtract the boys, that is 10. So he is asking the ratio of number of boys to number of girls. So it is a ratio of number of boys to girls. So boys are 40 and girls are 10. So it is 40 over 10. 0 and 0 can be cut. 4 over 1 means ratio is 4 ratio 1. So here option C is there, right? So this is the weekly sheet number 4. I have solved it. Hope you have understood the solutions of all the questions. Thank you very much. Dear all, as we have done this worksheet, I would like to tell about one question number 3. In this question, English version and Punjabi version separate statement is given. It was asked in English which of the following is not equal to 1, whereas in Punjabi it was asked ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੈ. So if we are to treat Punjabi statement, then B part will be correct because B part is giving answer 1. And if we are to treat English version, then option A, C and D are correct. So according to me, option B will be correct and Punjabi version of the statement is correct, that ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੈ. I hope you have liked the video. If you have really liked the video, then do like it, comment it so that I can make further videos to help out. Thank you.